Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is Patch Tuesday. Yep, Patch Tuesday is upon us, and that means that today we have security updates available for Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. No more Windows 7, as it's over. And so that means that the first security problems for Windows 7 will be known to hackers and bad guys starting today. So it came in a form of a few updates bundled together. Of course, we have the regular update that is for the security enhancements and monthly security roll up. But for the rest, there's a cumulative update for Windows 10. There's a security update for Windows 10, and there's a security update to Adobe Flash Player, which will soon be over because by the end of the year, Flash will be gone. So basically, two separate updates for Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. That is basically one that fixes some bugs and problems. So they're kind of rolling out bug fixes at the same time. And of course, the security update fixes quite a lot of little security things. We'll look into more details as we get the most really detailed blog post later on. So the security updates go to Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Windows Fundamentals, Windows Cryptography, Windows Virtualization, Network Security and Container, Windows Server, Windows Management, Microsoft Graphics Component, Windows Input and Composition, Windows Media, and the Microsoft Scripting Engine, and the Windows Shell. So all of these enjoy security updates. The other updates, well, they're updates that have to do. One is, it says, improves the installation experience when upgrading from Windows 10, when updating to Windows 10 version 1903. So something they changed here. And they fixed a bug with printers that apparently when you have cloud printing or Office, also some types of online printers, they had kind of an issue. There's also, of course, if you have Office products, some security updates for the Office products. So basically, this is the Patch Tuesday, and that's the security updates that you want to install. It came in several phases in my case, so I started by having the cumulative update, the Adobe Flash Player update, and all of that. Then came, when I restarted, another update, which was the security update itself that showed up and installed. And after all of that, and after a couple of restarts, was a little longer than the average Patch Tuesday here. Well, you should be on a version, depending on what version you have. So if you're on the May 2019 update or the November 2019 update, your build number is 18362.657 or 18363.657. This is where you should be as of today after all of these updates. So that's important to understand. If you're still on the October 2018 update, you are at 17763.1039. So that's it. And there's nothing for Windows 7. That is what we were predicting. No security fixes at all. There's actually a few security bugs in here that we know are affecting Windows 7 and that are critical. That means Windows 7 is already vulnerable, and that's why, if you haven't done so, might be a good idea to move on to a more secure operating system. So it's Patch Tuesday. Get your Windows updates by going into the updates and security. Of course, for most people, this is done automatically. But if you want to apply them right away to stay safe as soon as possible, just go to your Windows updates and update your system for the latest security updates. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thanks for watching.